Greeting friend, welcome back again to the garden. I am taking my time to showing you guys the result of me changing everything in the front yard. Everything is green, there's no color, and if it's gonna stay like this. If some color wanna pop up, good. But me buying like flowers, I don't think so. I don't think so, because I don't have no, I'm not gonna let me take my time. I'm not gonna waste my money or time to buy some flowers and every winter they will die. It's wasting money. That's how I go and I went and buy some evergreen. At least I feel like those was surviving the cold last year, and I hope the rest will survive it. I mean, it's really bad. I spend a lot of money on those trees and then every winter they die. I can't do that. And I went to get more evergreen right here. Those are really tall and fluffy. Oh my God, look what I got, guys, in the garden. I got so many things to fix. Look, those butterfly bush uh, giving. They are red, beautiful red. But let me fix her. Why she's not standing right? You have to stand up straight, woman. Oh yeah, show yourself. Now I can see you. I can see you. I like the way I got this one. Look at this set right there. I got this bed bath right there. I got some little character right here. Oh my God. I got my little girl right here. And a Christmas there. And a half frogs fountain or whatever you call it here. There's nothing on the top, but I don't mind. I do not mind have it like this. I really like this. Cute.